Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Metfone line is allowed to roam. First, verify your account is active and roaming is enabled. Use the Metfone app or contact customer service if needed. Next, confirm you have sufficient balance or purchase a roaming bundle to prevent service interruption. On your phone, turn off airplane mode, enable cellular data, and switch on data roaming in the network settings. Once done, restart the phone so the network can re-register under the new roaming permissions and settings. Once roaming is enabled, you may need to guide the phone to a compatible partner network. Open mobile network settings and try manual network selection. Pick a strong, listed partner operator rather than automatic if registration fails repeatedly. If mobile data won't connect, check the APN settings. Confirm the carrier APN name and any required username or password matches Metfone's profile. Save changes and restart your device. This ensures the network and data session refresh so calls, SMS, and internet can begin working abroad. Finish by testing every service. Place a short call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm data. If something is still off, try quick troubleshooting. Toggle airplane mode on and off, manually reselect the preferred partner network, or re-enter and save the APN details, then restart and wait a few minutes. If those steps don't restore service, contact Metfone support and provide your phone model IMEI and the time you attempted roaming so they can check provisioning and partner connectivity on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.